Welcome back to the Mechanical Room. And for this, the May edition of the Show Us Your Pipe segment, we are breaking new ground. We're going to bring in a guest who is instrumental in the installation of this fascinating and interesting and, I will say, well photographed installation here. So without further ado, we're going to welcome in Eddie Dombrowski. He is, I believe, the president, owner, grand poobah, the big cheese at California Hot Water Supply. And Eddie, hey, it's wonderful to see you. Full disclosure, Eddie's a good friend to Centrotherm and a good man. I'm a personal friend, to Mr. Dombrowski, and we'd love to welcome you into the mechanical room here, and love to hear a little bit more about this installation.
Hey, great. Thanks for having me, guys. I really appreciate it, and we're happy to be here. We'd like to talk a little bit about the project that we worked with that was located at the Cal State University of Los Angeles. The contractor, the engineer that was working on this project was CMI, which is Crutchfield Mechanical Incorporated. The project manager that was working on this job was Luke Emory, and it was the piping job was for a couple Raypak H7206X versus, and it was a 8-inch InnoFlue system that they had the opportunity to put in the system. And getting some feedback from the guys, they were so excited to work with this product. They loved the fact of the pricing. Not only was it great, but it was such an easy installation for these guys to put it in. And they are so happy with it that they're really looking forward to using it in the future and putting on some more projects that they have coming up in the near future.
So what do they normally use, Eddie? Are they normally a PVC user or metal user? What are they using in the past?
Well, that's a great question, Mike, because when I was talking to him, we brought up the fact that he said that not only about the pricing factor, but it's a lot cheaper than, double wall or stainless steel venting. And just think about it from an installation standpoint of view for a contractor, that it's probably cheaper on the workman's comp, because you most likely might get a finger slit or cut based on that stainless steel or V venting that, with Centrotherm, it's a lot easier to work with. And not only is it safer, but time savings, labor-wise for these guys, it's a much better product to be used versus the other guys.
Well, Eddie, your check is in the mail, clearly. No. Obviously, that is all unprompted stuff. The focus really is on the contractors and the hard work that goes into the mechanical room to make the whole installation what it is. And these photos are great, and you can see some great workmanship that goes far beyond our product. But of course, we want to thank you for those kind words as well. Naturally, we're showcasing the InnoFlue product on these fine installations, but it's not the only thing that we're concerned with. So, it's just a great job all around. You said this was at the Cal State. Is that what you said?
Yeah, Cal State University. Cal State University of Los Angeles is where it's located at.
Fantastic. That's great.
Ship is great. I'm looking at these photos. The support is nice. They put in, some probes, test probe. It's a well installed job. 3 individually run units.
And that is a 10-inch diameter, if I'm not mistaken.
It was actually 8-inch diameter on this one.
8-inch diameter. So still, in the larger size diameter stuff. So, well, thanks so much. We're so glad you come on and talk about this as its own. You're the first guest we've had on this particular segment. So we thank you for your involvement and the kind words, and also sharing those photos. Are you the cameraman on those pictures?
I am not, unfortunately. So
let's give the photo credit to where it's due. Who did those come through? Is that through the contractor?
That's from the contractor.
Excellent. And his name again is?
Luke Emory with Crutchfield Mechanical. And Calhoun appreciates you guys giving us the opportunity to come on today. Being the Centrotherm guys we are in Southern California, if we can help you out here in Southern California for any Centrotherm products, please don't hesitate to give us a call. We'll be glad to help you guys out with any of your future projects.
All right, so I'm going to clip that out, and we'll have a new radio commercial when we're all said and done there. So we'll be right back.